one of you should find a job na pwedeng makapagbigay ng experience as a permanent resident na siguradong pasok kayo, hindi yung invitation to apply, hindi yung conditional yung inyong application. Kasi yung mga sinasabi ko sa iyo or sa inyo na PNP o INP or entry, they are all conditional. Ibig sabihin, if you did not get the invitation to apply for PR, you will never get into that PR pool. So, mayroon kayong opportunity to find a job. I don't want you to get into the job offer. The reason is that you guys are open work permit. I want you to get that experience para you don't need to show a proof of fund. That's exactly the new requirement right now. If you are going through the job offer, kahit pa nursing background kayo, may experience kayo outside Canada, quote and quote, kailangan pa rin natin yung proof of funds. And I don't want you to go and get in there. You don't experience as a caregiver or as a nanny for 6 months. Then that will gonna be your opportunity eventually to get into the PR pathway. Would recommend si Common Law mo maghanap siya ng pwedeng mag-sponsor sa kanya ng LMIA under nanny or caregiver para may backup. I'm not stopping you na mag-apply kayo ng PNP Express Entry or Canada Experience class, but at least one of you, anyway, may time pa naman tayo. Recommend, since may time pa kayo, yun nga, sabi ko nga, mag-apply kayo ng Express Entry, hanap na rin si Common Law mo ng mag-LMIA sa kanya na caregiver program. The reason na sinasabi kong caregiver program is that hindi pa naman agad-agad siya mag-work eh. Still, you can keep work mo hanggang sa ma-change yung status mo ng work permit nyo. If you are an open work permit presently under PGWP, you can still work while looking for an LMIA. Maipasok yung LMIA, that takes 2 to 3 months, can even longer. Ipasok yung work permit, that takes 4 to 5 months. Then at least, during that time, she is still going to be working as open work permit pa rin, whatever she's doing. Okay? But importante, that's why I'm pushing na caregiver program is that because of the PR pathway. Kasi kapag ka naghanap siya ng kanyang work permit extension, LMIA, papasok lang kayo sa mga yung sa mga business establishment, babalik at babalik na naman kayo sa cycle, which is Express Entry, Canada Experience Class, PNP o INP. We don't want that. At least ikaw or isa sa inyo apply for that and isa sa inyo maghanap ng magpapa-LMIA. Matagal ang process. During that time, maghanap kayo ng taong makakapag-declare sa inyo ng at least hours a day or 30 hours a week with a median rate. Median rate in Ontario is $20 an hour.